Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in a Toyota Highlander. First, ensure your engine is completely cool before starting any work to avoid serious burns. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands from chemicals. Remember, old coolant is toxic, so dispose of it properly at an approved facility. Never pour it down the drain or onto the ground. Once safe, locate the radiator drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the radiator on the driver's side. Place a large drain pan, capable of holding at least 2 gallons, directly underneath the plug. Carefully open the drain plug and then the radiator cap to allow the old coolant to drain fully into the pan. This ensures maximum removal of the old fluid. After draining, close the drain plug and fill the radiator with distilled water. Run the engine with the heater on high for about 10 minutes to circulate the water, then drain it completely. This helps flush out any remaining old coolant. Finally, close the drain plug and refill the system with the correct type and amount of new coolant, typically around 2½ gallons. With the new coolant in, run the engine again with the heater on high. This helps to bleed any trapped air from the system. Squeeze the upper and lower radiator hoses gently to help release air bubbles. After the engine cools completely, check the coolant reservoir level and top it off if necessary. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.